Hello friends, welcome to Investment Guru. Today we will discuss how a beginner can start investing. We will see what are the different options you have and how to invest. For anything, you have to start step by step. If you did not invest till now, you have to take the first step now. Investing for a long term, that means we buy something and forget it for 2 years, 5 years or more. In this video, we will see that you have many more options than your bank savings account. Savings account has less interest and it is currently less than 7% on an average. So, if you want to grow money, this is not the correct option. How to invest? You have two options. One is lump sum. In lump sum, you will invest large sum like 5 lakh rupees at once in any stock or in any option. In SIP, you will invest small amount regularly, like 5,000 rupees every month. You don't need any minimum amount to start investing. You have stocks starting with 50 rupees and more than 5,000 rupees. If you do SIP, you can start with smaller amounts initially and slowly increase it depending on your circumstances. You can start with 5,000 rupees per month and slowly after 1 year, increase it to 10,000 rupees and next year to 15,000 rupees per month. What are the options? Stocks, gold, ETF, mutual fund, debt funds, bonds. We have several options to invest in. First, we will look at stocks in detail. Here you can see the blue chip stock, HDFC Bank chart. It is a large company and relatively safe. 10 years ago, the price of one stock was 147 rupees. Now after 10 years the price is 1300 rupees. It is a 784% increase. What stocks to buy? For beginners, I will suggest you open the Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 list. You will find the list here on the NSE website. You can choose any stocks you like. Every month choose 2 to 3 stocks and put your money like 5,000 rupees. The goal is to distribute your money in different blue chip companies, which are large and reliable. In this way, even if the economy does not do well, your money is safe in the big companies. For beginners, investing in small cap or medium cap companies is risky. Another option is gold. Gold is a good investment, but it does not have huge returns like the stock. But it is considered safe than investing in stocks. You can see the price of gold in India on this website. For 10 grams of gold, 10 years ago, in 2010, price was 18,500 rupees. After 10 years, now it is 51,580 rupees. Total increase of 178%. You can also invest in ETF or mutual funds. We will see an example. If we do SIP for 5,000 rupees per month, in 1 year, it is 60,000 rupees, and second year, if we increase the SIP amount to 10,000 rupees, it will be 1,20,000 rupees. For many people, putting lump sum of 2 lakhs rupees or more at once is difficult. So, they can choose the SIP option. If we put the SIP of 10,000 rupees per month in stocks, and assuming there is 7% growth per year, then in 5 years, our total invested amount will be 6 lakh rupees, and we will get 1.2 lakh rupees as profit. So total will be 7.2 lakh rupees. What are some cheap investing brokers? You have many brokers, but mostly popular is Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel Broking, ICICI Direct. It does not matter which one you choose because you are investing for long term. Many brokers does not charge commission if you invest for long term. Using these brokers, you can also invest in ETF and mutual funds or directly in stocks. You have to start now. In 2020, due to pandemic, stock market is at low and gold is at high. It's you to decide in which market you should invest. Whatever you choose, start putting small amounts in SIP every month and start investing. If you start investing now, you will be happy when you look back after 10 years. That's all in this video. Please subscribe and hit a like. Thank you for watching.